the greatest tools for a dental sleep medicine practice when running a targeted social media advertising campaign is automation. I want to give you 2 tips on automation today that are going to make your communications much more effective. Automation is great, but it can also be an Achilles heel. So the first tip I want to give you is actually don't make your communications so clinical that they seem automated. You want to leave things open-ended. End your text messages with a question. That's a great tip. So for example, hey, this is Stephanie. I just got your consultation request. I forwarded it to the doctor. He wants to get you on his schedule as soon as possible. When can you come in? Question mark. Leave it open-ended. Second tip, a lot of people don't answer phone calls when you're trying to do that follow-up because it's from a phone number they don't recognize. One tip, amazing tip, please do this. Text the person 2 minutes prior to calling them. They're going to be expecting a phone call from a number they don't recognize. Number 2, they're going to check that text message and see the history of you trying to get in touch with them. They're going to be far more likely to answer the phone. You're going to see huge response increase when you implement those 2 things.